Welcome. Today I will show you how to replace the battery in AMAZFIT watch.
Będzie o kadrze amerykańskiej, jakie widzi szanse, a przede wszystkim o Lewandowskim, o kosmetykach żony, o tym jak gdzieś ten biznes jest tutaj formatowany w przypadku Roberta. Także jak ja powiedziałem, się uśmiałem.
This is our new battery.
Ten temat wypowiedział Ugo Kajper, jakby oddając tę koszulkę z numerem 9 Robertowi.
And we need to solder it.
Bardzo serdecznie dziękujemy Wam za moc futbolu. Janusz Michał. Dziękuję bardzo. Michniarek. Dziękuję. To Żworek, który nie znika z ekranu, bo teraz zapraszamy Was na wywiad.
Dzisiaj przede wszystkim zapraszam tutaj na Dzień dobry Państwu. Dzisiaj mamy dla Was niespodziankę w kanale sportowym. Naszym gościem jest trener Chicago Fire, a jednocześnie człowiek, który odpowiedzialny jest za cały departament sportu w tym klubie, który chce odzyskać wielki blask, jeśli chodzi o rozgrywki amerykańskiej MLS. Były selekcjoner reprezentacji Stanów Zjednoczonych, były reprezentant USA Greg Berhalter. Hello Greg, nice to have you here in Kanał Sportowy in Poland. So, hello.
Nice to be here, thank you.
So you know, you are the most famous foreign manager now in Poland after signing Robert Lewandowski.
Yeah, I think for the club, it's an amazing signing. When you think about, you mentioned it earlier when we were talking pre-call about, the Polish influence in Chicago and how when the club first started, they won the championship in the first year in 1998 with a few Polish players also. Very influential Polish players, and now here we are in 2026, and we're able to sign the greatest Polish soccer player ever. So it's a big moment for the club and for the city and for the league.
I remember these days. It was in 1998. The penalties. You just play completely different way than we have nowadays. I remember starting from the middle of the pitch. It was, of course, Peter Nowak, who scored 29 goals for Chicago Fire. Crazy Roman Kosecki, Polish winger, and the strikers have been started.
Now solder the 4 pins of the battery.
League, of course, also US.
We plan to take good care of this family. We want to welcome them to Chicago. We want to show them all that Chicago has to offer. Well, I don't know if you saw, you've done a lot of research in this before this interview. I don't know if you saw the video that.
A teraz jeszcze robi coś takiego jak przykładanie karty z telefonu do telefonu? Muszę okulary założyć. Nie widzę z tego stresu.
Never go through the first round of playoffs. So what is your definition? So what are your thoughts about this? Because you had some fantastic players like Nikolic, like Shaqiri, like Bastian Schweinsteiger, and.
Ale teraz co? Jak to się ani w prawo, ani w lewo, o co tu chodzi?
Yeah, so one of the reasons why I agreed to join the Chicago
Czego mi się tu nie chce przysunąć? Ja wiem, że będę teraz panu truła masę. Ciężkie dni czekają.
So who cares? Francesca cares about building a career that goes beyond borders. Natalia cares about being in charge of her growth. Risako cares about flexible working hours that bring real balance to her day. Aldo cares about 20 paid parental leave to be there for his family. Brooke cares about having the freedom to be herself at work. Javier cares about having the
Jakiś
chance
nowy
to
zasięg tu?
volunteering
Jedna
in the
kropeczka?
day.
Może tak być.
You're a global top employer. We do. It's us, JTI.
Kashka is what we eat. Yeah, Kashka. What we eat, right? We eat
Kasha.
yeah. Exactly. So I have, we had a little word.
Or Kaszanka, or maybe Kaszanka.
No, Kashka. Kashka.
Kasha.
Yeah.
Okay. But this guy, he always had amazing
No,
numbers.
dwie kreski są, nie jest źle.
Yeah.
Coś się dzieje.
And one more question, because today I found the rumors that probably Kuipers is leaving. Is it true, or are you planning to play two strikers?
No, I think there's always going to be, you know,
Nowak
when you bring in a
jest,
guy, like when you
Tauron
look at a team
jest,
that's always played with one striker and then you
Obywatel
bring in
jeszcze nie
a
jest,
top
ale
striker,
dwie
there's
kreski
always
ma w
going to be
środku. Nie
rumors
trzeba
that
tam
the other
kliknąć?
person's leaving. That's not the case, you know. We've been defending in a 4-4-2. We've been playing with four guys high. There's no reason why we can't play with two strikers at the same time. There's no reason. One of them can drop in certain times. The wingers can come inside at certain times. We can figure it out. You know, we want good players on the field. We want goal scorers on the field. And with Robert, Philip, Zinchenko, with Hugo, with Bamba, with Selassie, with Robin Lode, we have a very strong attacking group. Very strong.
So, let's talk about American team because you've been national team coach, 74 games from almost 5
No
years.
Ban się pobrał,
They play
ale jeszcze nie wszystkie się pobrały, ale Ban się pobrał.
World Cup with Mauricio Pochettino.